In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new Baseball 9 hack allowing you to get unlimited free coins, gems, stamina, and everything unlocked in Baseball 9. This is going to save you a bunch of money because as you can see, the gems are pretty expensive. 5,700 gems costs 50 Great British pounds. So I'm going to show you how to get free gems in Baseball 9. This Baseball 9 hack is on iOS and Android. Everyone can do this in 2025, and you need to just make sure you have the game installed. And if you're using an iPhone, make sure your low power mode is turned off. So it's in your battery settings. Turn that off because you need the background app refresh to be working. So once you've done all of those prerequisites, open up the internet browser of choice and go to this website, guys, wavyplugin.com. This is a modded app store. They have plugins for tons of your favorite games. Navigate your way to the Baseball 9 mod and you can get Baseball 9 mod with unlimited coins, stamina, gems, and more features. Like I said, guys, this is going to allow you to completely dominate the game without spending silly amounts of money because this is going to get you unlimited gems and more. So click on that button and this is going to load up here, guys. Give it a few seconds whilst it does all this stuff. So it says device verification required. This is completely normal and it's super simple. This is going to pop up. Plugin installer. So you just need to follow the instructions on this page to get your free gems in Baseball 9. So it says here, click to complete 2 of the tasks below to install your free plugin. And you can see, guys, there's all free tasks here. So you just need to click on 2 of these and fully complete them, following the instructions that it states below each one. It will take you between 5 and 10 minutes depending which tasks you choose, but these are usually things like playing mobile games to certain levels or answering questions in surveys. Once you've done that, you're going to have your Baseball 9 mod installed, and when you go ahead and play the Baseball 9 app, it's going to give you pretty much unlimited resources, saving you a bunch of money because as we checked, guys, yeah, these resources in Baseball 9 add up, especially the gems. I don't know why it's so expensive, but yeah, it's just absolutely absurd. But yeah, this is working in 2025 on iOS and Android devices, and yeah, this is going to save you so much money. So go to Wavy plugin and go ahead and follow the instructions you've seen in this video. Enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.